How many platforms does your sales team use to connect with one lead? They call from their mobile phones or use third-party dialers for IVR calling. They reply to messages on WhatsApp, send emails separately, and then join follow-ups on Gmeet calls. And then they have to sit down and reconcile all these conversations just to know what happened. Doing this daily means that your sales team is wasting time switching between tabs again and again just to connect with one lead. What if I told you there was a way to manage these communication platforms from one central hub? Hello folks, I'm Zaid, and today I'll show you how TeleCRM allows you to connect with your leads and customers from all the aforementioned communication platforms without you having to switch between tabs again and again. Starting with phone calls. For calling, TeleCRM gives you two options, IVR and SIM-based. SIM-based calling if you use SIM cards in your system, and an IVR setup if you use a centralized business number. The process is very simple. You go on the lead page section in TeleCRM, click on the call button. If you use SIM-based calling, the call will automatically be dialed from your mobile phone. And if you use IVR, it will be redirected via a centralized number. Once you hang up the call, everything will automatically be tracked in the system. You can look at call recordings, follow-up tasks, call notes, etc. Second, one-click WhatsApp. From the same lead page, you can send WhatsApp messages to your leads and prospects. To do that, you'll have to click on the WhatsApp icon, type in your message, add the media you want to. You can also create and use standard templates. Once you've formulated the message, click on send. TeleCRM's app will then redirect you to WhatsApp, where all you have to do is send the message to your leads and prospects. And the best part is, you get complete tracking of all messages sent and received from the same lead page. Third, Gmeet calls. A lot of businesses use Gmeet for demos and onboarding meetings. TeleCRM provides a direct integration with Gmeet, so you don't have to switch between multiple tabs just to access a Gmeet call. From within TeleCRM, you can schedule Gmeet calls, add all the stakeholders of the meeting, generate the meeting link, block your client's calendar, join the meeting, and even access transcripts and summaries. And all of this happens from the same interface. Here's a detailed video of how Gmeet integration works in TeleCRM if you're interested. Fourth, email and SMS. The email and SMS functionality works the same way as one-click WhatsApp. You select the option, type in your message, and then click on send. And then you get complete tracking of all interactions. TeleCRM eliminates the need to switch between tabs and tools. You can call, send WhatsApp messages and emails, and join meetings, all from one place. This means faster communication, cleaner tracking, and a far more organized system for your entire sales team. If this sounds interesting, we have an entire playlist on how TeleCRM can make life easier for you, your sales team, and your marketing team. So make sure to check the playlist out. Also, if you're interested in trying TeleCRM out for yourself, you can go to the links in the description, book a free demo, and start with TeleCRM today. Until next time, bye-bye.